That's my car.
That's my car.
Ooh.
That SMRV8. That's my car.
Ricky, you ain't never gonna get that car. Don't worry, you're gonna get that car someday, Ricky.
Bose.
Let's pull the two-seat out, baby. It's wherever you want to go.
Just
Right
Vibing to the music, this is how we do it. All night, breezing down the freeway, just me and my baby. Can I ride? Just me and my boss, no worries at all. Listening to the
Would've came back for you. I just needed time to do what I had to do. Caught in the life, I can't let it go. Whether that's right, I won't ever know.
But here
When
goes
I'm alone in my room, sometimes I stare at the wall. On the floor, but who can you call? My damn one who live by the code. Put this music aside, get it in on the road. Lot of quiet time, pink bottles of rose, exotic red bottoms, whole body glittered in gold. Following fundamentals, I'm following in a rental. I love a nasty girl who swallow what's on the menu. That money triple up when you get it out of state. Need a new safe cause I'm running out of space. El Ray Jets and I'm somewhere out of space. In my two-seater, she the one that I would take. We
vibing to the music, this is how we do it. All night, breezing down the freeway, just me and my baby. Can I ride? Just me and my boss, no worries at all. Listening to the
Would've came back for you. I just needed time to do what I had to do. Caught in the life, I can't let it go. Whether that's right, I won't ever know.
But here goes nothing.
pull up on the block in the drop top chicken box. Mr. KFC, VVS is in the watch. Living fast where it's all about that money bag. Never front, you take it there, it ain't no coming back. Top down, right here is where she wanna be. As my goals unfold right in front of me. Every time we f*** her soul, take a hold of me. Addicted like Pookie, that be controlling me. That thing keep calling. Maintain, boy, I gotta keep ballin'. Pink bottles keep coming. James Bond coupe, pop clutch 100.
vibing to the music, this is how we do it. All night, breezing down the freeway, just me and my baby. Can I ride? Just me and my boss, no worries at all. Listening to the
Would've came back for you. I just needed time to do what I had to do. Caught in the life, I can't let it go. Whether that's right, I won't ever know. Hope you forgive me, never meant wrong. Tried to be patient and waited too long, but I would've came back. But I would've came back. Would've came back. Would've came back.
I talk slicker than up here from Augusta, who just had his linen suit dry clean. What's up with ya? I hate calling the women. Love it. I took some sense and made a nickel of it. I'm urging all daughters to kiss their mothers with those lips that all that lipstick covers. You're never too grown up to miss and hugger, and girls counting on me to be there like missing rubbers. I'm on some Marvin. Bunch of distant lovers. This ain't the life that I'm used to. Reintroduce to people I've been introduced to. Did you forget me? Or are you too scared to tell me that you met me in fear that I won't remember? I wish you could still accept me for me. I miss Memphis, Tennessee, my cousins, my dad. The simplistic beauty that all of them Southerners have. I'm halfway across the world with dozens of bags, feeling like all four members are calling me bad in one. I got that Courtney love for you, that crazy. I don't drink every bottle I own. I be aged, and I got them wedding ring flows that engage. Each one of y'all got fleets on your keychains and seats for these heat games. I really think that you stare at yourself and you see things. La Familia, I've been inducted and instructed to stun on these we don't really with. Having lunch and debating Ferrari prices. 23 and going through a midlife crisis. But trust me, I still deliver like a midwife. And no, I'm not saying I'm the nicest, I just live life like it. It take a certain type of man to teach. To be far from hood, but to understand the streets. I never threw away that paper with my Grammy speech, because I haven't hit the pinnacles I plan to reach. Yeah, you gotta own it if you want it. Kisses on the body, she tells me live in the moment. And baby, I never forget none of that. Girl, I told you I was coming back.
Okay, Pure Coke Volume 2. This one I tell on my own. Shout out to my Tito family, Toronto. I know everyone can relate to this one. Feel me? Oh, Pure Coke. It's the Bad Boy DJ Live Wire. Yeah. Yo. This one goes out to everyone that had a friend you grew up with, done certain things with for your whole life, but your circumstances change because of circumstances. You get me? Alright. Look, here it is. Look. Me and you growing up on some real shit. As I look back when we were still kids, playing NDG in the buildings, running from police as children, pilled them, taking man's lunch money. All we used to do was kick ball and fuck honeys, rush dummies for any kind of tough talk. Life's funny, you're like family, the love's pure. Brother from another mother, I used to hug yours, you used to hug mine. Where's the love gone? Wish I could turn time. Where we go from, it's like I haven't seen a real you in so long. It's like I haven't seen a real you in so long. I was kinda quiet, you was kinda hype. You used to diss man for dissing me cause I was white. I always jumped in, I could never watch you fight. Remember when we used to kit up all our pedal bikes? We go from that to sitting with a little nine. How we go from that to not talking to each other right? From pedal bikes and ramps to pedal white to trams to metal nines and max to ghetto lights and trap. It's like I haven't seen a real you in so long. Never forget where you're coming from. Remember to stay true. Let a situation change you, because life is too short. I just don't wanna do this walk on my own. It's like I haven't seen a real you in so long. So let's work to make a way. Make the load a little lighter as we wish for better days. Cause life is too short. I just wanna do this walk on my own. It's like I haven't seen a real you in so long. As we got older, our problems got bolder. Me and you both got to look over our shoulder. It's like we share the same life, but we went our separate ways. Struggle through day and night, trying to find a better day. I'm trying to get away, it's like you wanna stay. Ain't nothing round here but fake guys and dirty snakes. Now we don't see man come, now we don't see man go. I thought we had love until this beef unrolled. Now we don't reason, we don't even roll. But if they trouble you, I swear I make my heat explode. I'm still loving you, don't care about these neeks and O's. We're bubbling, I swear cuzzy we can blow. It's a muscle win, about to eat these whole damn roads. There's nothing king, they're bumping it in T-Dot, bro. I'm going back to my old ways, like when we used to ramp in the hallway. Always, never forget where you're coming from. Remember to stay true. Don't let a situation change you, because life is too short. Don't wanna do this walk on my own. It's like I haven't seen a real you in so long. 'cause life is too short. Don't wanna do this walk on my own. It's like I haven't seen the real you in so long. Real you in so long. Haven't seen the real you in so long. Real you in so long. Haven't seen the real you in so long. I don't wanna do this on my own. It's like I haven't seen the real you in so long.
Fucking hell. It's a big one, you know. Everyone can relate to this one. It's that deep shit. Real life shit. It's cold. It's official right there. 80 USG all day. We don't play, you know. Real shit.
Cruising.